Get ready for the holidays as Nike Basketball drops the Giannis Antetokounmpo Giannis Freak 7 Snowpack, a winter-themed colorway built for players who attack the court with explosive energy. Releasing December 2025 for $125, this edition mixes icy style with elite performance. Its deep frozen violet upper comes covered in white speckling, giving the sneaker a snowfall-inspired look that instantly stands out. Neon volt details on the laces and tongue bring a vibrant pop, while the bold infrared swoosh outlined in metallic silver delivers signature Giannis flair. Underfoot, a gradient midsole fading from purple to gray sits on a translucent outsole split between volt and crimson traction zones, offering both sharp grip and visual impact. Inside, Nike keeps the performance locked in with responsive cushioning tuned for Giannis' unpredictable, multi-directional game and a sculpted midfoot frame built for stability during quick cuts and Euro steps. A must-have for winter hoopers and sneaker fans alike, the Freak 7 Snowpack brings seasonal style with MVP-level tech.